everyone, and welcome to Lipstick on a Rig. Today I'm going to be showing you the results of my third cotton skein challenge. And for this challenge I used 2 skeins of Lily Sugar and Cream, and this is size 4 worsted weight cotton yarn, and each skein is roughly 4 ounces. I also used a size G or 6 or 4.25 millimeter crochet hook. And the first thing I made was this tiny backpack and the tiny button to go with it. And this tiny backpack is a functioning backpack, so all you have to do is pull your cinch out, stuff it, re-cinch it, and then close the flap and use your little button to seal it. And you could have used a little less or a little bit more yarn depending on how long you made your straps. I also made these 2 small air plant holders, and they're basically the same pattern, only one is hollow and the other one is solid in the back. I also made this very easy soap saver, as well as a small thin macrame ring. And these projects were all geared toward beginners, so they're all really simple and typically only use 1 or 2 stitches. And you can check the links in the description for all of these tutorial videos. Thank you so much for watching the results of the skein challenge, and I hope you consider joining me in one.